Today's video is showing you how to change your time format. So if we jump into appointments and into a calendar view, you're going to notice that the time down the left hand side is a specific format. So you can see here at the moment it's in 24-hour time format. Some practitioners, individuals prefer a different time format, and they prefer to say see 4 p.m. here. So for us to do that, you can go up to the cog setting under user settings, and you can change this to 12-hour time and click save. Okay. And as this is a new feature, I'm assuming that this hadn't kicked in play. And what we'll do is we go back to appointments and we load this up, and it's going to show the 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. and the different time date formats here. And you also see that these date formats are consistent through the application as well. And if we flick over to day view, the same thing again here. All right, hope that helps, and thank you very much.